My name is Ethan Santos. My mission report is on Mission San Antonio de Padua. This mission started July 14th, 1771. In front of the church is a tree that has been standing since the 1800s. It was here in mission days. It barely survived the earthquake. The tree was planted on the evening of 1830. Now we are entering the church. When you enter the church, you can see pews. Above the pews are open spaces in the walls to let the light in. In front of the pews is a gate that separates the people from the altar. There are two statues, one of Mary and the other of Joseph. These two statues have been there since the beginning of the mission. Now we are going to visit the friars' quarters. When you enter the friars' quarters, you can see their beds. They were made out of sticks and strongly woven string. Next to their beds are bookshelves and tables. Now we enter the granary through the friars' quarters. The granary is where they stored their grain. Only the friars had access to the granary, so we have to exit the granary and head back out through the friars' quarters. Once outside, you can see the beautiful courtyard, which contains a fountain and vegetation that they can pick berries from. If you follow the pathway through the courtyard, you can find yourself at the final location of the mission. The final location is the workshops. These workshops contain kitchens where they use their food, blacksmith where they made their tools, and these smokers and blast furnace were used for melting irons that they had gathered. After the iron was melted, they go to the smithing tables to build their tools. That concludes the end of my mission. Hope you enjoyed watching.